Friday, December 19th, snowstorm number 6 of the winter of 2008. You can see from our picnic table out on the deck that we've got between 7 and 12 inches. Our snow pile here on top of our wood. You can see the lake. People have begun walking across the lake, cross-country skiing on it, and playing catch with their dogs. From the second floor of our house, up until yesterday, I could still see open water. That's where my office is, looking out over Lake Monona. I think anyone who goes out on this lake is insane. I'll take you to the front of the house so you can get an appreciation for the depth of the snow. Matt got up at 4 o'clock this morning and drove to work in this snow. You can see my foot tracks. The snow goes up over my boots. High winds and drifting are supposed to begin this afternoon. Then the temperatures will plummet to the single digits. And we will have an ice storm on our hands. You can see how the house looks. Storm number 6.